In this video lesson, you'll discover how to paint in watercolor using the dry brush on dry technique.
For this lesson, I will use the same object as in previous videos, an apple. To begin with, I will make a quick sketch in graphite pencil on watercolor paper. This type of paper surface has a medium tooth, which is important to mention because it will play an important role in this artwork. For painting, I am using 2 flat natural hair brushes from Escoda. As usual, I begin painting with light colors and progress from light to dark tones. First, I mix pigments on the palette using very little water, and then absorb excess water from the brush belly with a paper napkin. The mixed pigments remain on the tip of the brush. I make very light and swift brush strokes with the brush tip. The pressure is so light that paint only grips to the tip of the paper tooth, leaving the dips of the tooth unpainted. The name of such a technique is dry brush on dry. The term dry brush does not literally mean that the brush is totally dry, but that there is very little water on it. With such a brush, it is not possible to make full, juicy brush strokes. As you can see, I am purposely absorbing excess water from the brush belly, meaning that the brush is moist.